Hey, I'm Ryan, aka the 11 Plus Guru. Today, let's have a look at verbal reasoning, in particular, mirror position. This video is for Year 3s and 4s, but if anyone else wants a simpler explanation on what mirror position is, feel free to have a look at this video. Let's get started. Why should we learn how to do mirror position? Mirror position questions appear in 11 plus verbal reasoning tests, no matter which 11 plus you're doing. They help you solve letter codes, pattern questions, and word questions. So this can be very, very useful. Knowing how to do mirror position saves so much time in exams. What is mirror position? If you want to pause right here and have a little thought, you can do so. Mirror position means the opposite letter of the one you're thinking of. In other words, mirror position means matching letters from the start of the alphabet to the letters at the end. For example, A goes with Z because A is the start of the alphabet and Z is the end of the alphabet. B goes with Y because B is the second letter of the alphabet and Y is the second last letter of the alphabet. C goes with X because C is the third letter of the alphabet and X is the third last letter of the alphabet. And this goes all the way to M and N because M is the 13th letter of the alphabet and N is the 13th last letter of the alphabet. This chart that you can see here is one that's so easy to draw in exams. This is the one I used in my 11 plus. It's so easy to write and it will help you so much in your exam. Here's a more complicated chart. It's harder to draw, but this also helps people understand how to do mirror position. So this also shows A goes with Z, B goes with Y, C goes with X, all the way until M goes with N. In some 11 plus questions, you have to find letter patterns or codes. Sometimes the code uses mirror letters, letters that match from the opposite ends of the alphabet. For example, if A goes with Z, B goes with Y, C goes with X, then what does D match with? This is a classic question. It won't be this easy, but it will be a question like this, and it will almost definitely come up in the exam. Mirror position questions test how well you know the alphabet and how you can find patterns. You might see a question like, if cat becomes XZG, what does dog become? Here, each of the letters are changed to its mirror letter, so this is a mirror position word question. What we have to do to solve this question is take all of the letters from the word dog and flip it to its mirror position. Easy. You can use the mirror position chart to easily just swap out the letters instead of actually memorizing it. But you don't have to memorize it at all. If we swap out the letters, we get the answer of WLT. Simple. Let's try a few questions. Question 1. If A equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X, what is the mirror of E? I'll give you a few seconds. Pause the video if you want some more time. Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer now. The answer for this first question is V, because if we look at our diagram, A equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X, D equals W, and if we look, E and V are on top and below each other, so they go with each other. So the answer to the answer to the mirror position of E is V. Question 2. Which letter is the mirror of H? Here's a mirror position chart for help. Pause it if you want a little more time. Oh. Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer now. The mirror of H is S. Let's go back. The reason is we're going to do the exact same thing. If we go to the letter H on the chart, we can see that it's above S. So the mirror position of H is S. Now let's do a hard question. Can you find the mirror position of school? If you need to, try and draw a chart on your paper, but if you feel that you don't know how to do it, you can go back on the video, rewind, and just have a little look at the charts again. I'm going to tell you the answer now. If you feel like you need more time, just pause it here. The mirror position of school is H, X, S, L, L, O. The reason why it's this is because we need to flip each individual letter. Remember, on one of our questions, it said the mirror position of H is S. So it's going to be the same here. The mirror position of S is H. So that's why the S in school becomes a H. And the C becomes an X, the H becomes an S, the O's become an L, and the L becomes an O. H, X, S, L, L, O. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch our next video coming soon. If you want to try a few questions, there will be a quiz in the description. Bye!